Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to increase bass on Spotify iPhone. Let's go. By adjusting the equalizer settings on the Spotify app, you can enhance the bass of the music you're listening. First of all, open up the Spotify app. Then tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap Settings and Privacy. After that, tap Playback. Then scroll down a bit and tap Equalizer. What you want to do next is toggle on this switch to enable Equalizer. Then tap on the Bass Booster preset. As you can see, it changed the waveform. You can also manually tweak. The equalizer and customize your listening experience. For example, if you want to boost the bass even more, you can adjust the frequencies to something like this. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.